I will require once the material is ready. We said okay, and they accepted it. They even didn't came for inspection just on our inspection report. I even didn't went there. I just called them, sir, how are they working? They said they are working absolutely nice. I said at least you give us some appreciation letter of the why not we are functioning this walls. Credits of 90 days, 120 days, whatever the customer required, we have given it these terms, and then it comes कि ये valve fail हो गया या product has failed. So R&Ds and ये thing. So things have grown up nicely. Now we have a good, at least with the technical team of the customers. So we are with that mindset कि नहीं, we work on our fronts. So once you start, even I need to explore that front with someone कि ये maybe we are wrong also in this कि we are not giving credits, and many times we discuss with my seniors or family में seniors who are into the same, you can say भैया और uncle. So they say कि हम तो customer अच्छा है तो credit देते हैं, but we are saying कि नहीं ये नहीं. So we are in that kind of attitude कि ये हम बना रहे हैं और ये हम दे रहे हैं. So 30 days है, this is normal, और वो मार्केट में अलग चल रहा है तो ठीक है. तो कहाँ ना कहाँ वो एक I feel it is wrong also, and sometimes I feel कि ये अच्छा है, at least we are in peace of mind कि किसी को कुछ देना नहीं, किसी से कुछ लेना नहीं.
Absolutely. See, one thing I have seen is when you have tight control on credit, it also gives you peace of mind in terms of cash flow. And वो cash flow जब healthy रहता है, जैसे मतलब मैंने स्पेशली मतलब कम्युनिटीज में देखा है, कुछ कम्युनिटीज में कि मतलब पैसा जितना फास्ट घूमेगा उतना अच्छा है बिजनेस के लिए. क्योंकि आप अगर मैं डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ काम किया हूँ, गुजराती, मारवाड़ी, सिंधी, पर उनका वो रहा है हमेशा कि भले 2% मिले लेकिन पैसा अगर मेरा 12 महीने घूम जाए, मेरे को 24% साल का मिल गया, मेरे को कोई दूसरा चीज 24% साल का देता नहीं.
हाँ, that's true. So वो concept cash flow. So we are working in a different industry जहाँ पे we are need to get involved into so much.
Yes.
It's like in our business, it's not कि I get this order in 1,000 pieces and वो बन रहा है, ऐसा नहीं है. So it is always customized. ऐसा नहीं है, always customized and वो attention है. So कहाँ पे भी एक जगह रुक गया ना तो रुक जाएगा. And we cannot have that volume कि ये बन गया और किसी और को दे दिया या ये उसके लिए कस्टमाइज होके बना है. So वो वॉल्यूम में हमारा बिजनेस नहीं है, तो somehow we are not able to give that credits. ये बहुत टाइम हमने देखा है कि many times we have lost orders just for this credit part कि हाँ इतना क्रेडिट तो ये है नहीं, and फिर it's like a cycle, ये क्रेडिट दे दिया और पहले का आ गया फिर और क्रेडिट आ गया, and then you need to work on that continuously. So we are looking for customer जो एक X क्रेडिट दिया और वो X क्रेडिट में पूरा आना ही चाहिए, ऑनर आना ही चाहिए. ये नहीं कि वो X क्रेडिट के बाद में हम आगे का ऑर्डर ले रहे हैं तब वो आ रहा है, वो आगे का ऑर्डर है इसके लिए वो पैसा आ रहा है. वो टाइप वाले कस्टमर्स बहुत है हमारे पास, and we were there into that loop some time back earlier. So we have somewhere stopped that, but that gives that volume, as you said, to the business. So there are other suppliers who are to the same customers who are good with that volume, and that is a phenomenal volume. If I have 2 or 3 customers, maybe मेरा अभी जो turnover है वो double हो जाए, but then that peace of mind is lost, which we do not want to compromise.
तो अल्टीमेटली मैंने देखा हुआ बिजनेस उसी के लिए करते हैं कि फ्रीडम होना चाहिए.
हाँ.
If you lose that, there is no point
of that.
किसी और के लिए मतलब बैंक के लिए या वो दूसरे कस्टमर, as you said, you don't want to finance that.
So I am not the financer. I can help you कि ठीक है मेरा ये प्रोडक्ट बन रहा है, मुझे जितना आज मेरे भी सप्लायर है, it's like end to end all our suppliers in the same way. Never a supplier has asked me advance. आज के डेट में if I give a monthly order to any of the vendor, he is happy without payment. So that credential has been made with this our ideology कि हम आगे उधार नहीं देते हैं और we have that cash flow control. So that can be done only if you have that cash flow control. If you start giving credits to some extent, then it travels to the back end. आप you need to do the same with your vendor जैसा आपके साथ हो रहा है. And in many times that kind of attitude is not there in our mindset कि हम यहाँ से नहीं लिया तो फिर दूसरे से ले लेंगे, ये नहीं तो तीसरा.
That is not long term.
Long term. Now we have those kind of vendors also who know our credibility. So it becomes good to work.
Absolutely. And ultimately that's what matters. जैसे सर उठा के जाए और मतलब अपना बंदा बैठे आपके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करे, so that is important. One last segment. I know I've taken a lot of your time. In terms of documentation, what is the documentation process that you have in terms of business planning, से लेके review systems, क्या क्या?
We have now started last 2 years some documentation, all flow controls, कैसे material आ रहा है, वो उसका identifications, first come first basis, then processes of orders, how they come, work orders are being made. So for that we have employed some to channelize that thing. Earlier it was with me, now I have obstructed it. So there is a team who is looking after that.
How about business planning? Do you do business plan for the next year?
No, at present, nothing is done on that front. That is
Do you think that would help you to going forward?
Yeah, that is always there. But the thing is that being completely involved in so many processes, you do not have that time or that you can say planning thought आता ही नहीं आपके. You are so involved in your day-to-day activities. ये तो ठीक है, अभी करेंगे कुछ करेंगे, ऐसा सोच के वो पेंडिंग ही रह जाता है.
And do you see, if you spend some time, maybe say 1 hour a week or 2 hours a week, do you think that would change the course of the business in the same way that the cash flow is tight, controlled, but the turnover grows, number of customers grow in the same culture that you are in? Do you think that is possible?
Yeah, that is possible. Again, वो mindset has to be crept in. वो जो what is there कि when you are into things ना कि ये नहीं हो रहा है और आप ये करके बताओगे, when you are taking those kind of orders, so you are basically always into the technical front.
Okay.
So all your energies and other thing gets involved there.
Okay.
Which I find sometimes is diverting you from growth.
Okay.
Because you are all the time involved कि नहीं ये है, and every time you are into business or your role is firefighting that thing कि इसको अभी कैसे आगे बढ़ाएं. So you don't get time for ये जो growth activities है, जो बाकी branding है, ये है वो है उसमें. So now I am just starting delegating things. I am looking कि कोई और technical बंदा भी मेरे नीचे who can replace to some extent me on the front. You need to employ someone that sort who can do the integration at the floor level and the workshop level, जो coordination है day to day, so that I can grow here. So I am looking for that कि ऐसा कुछ करके, then as I said कि globally this is there and I have friends mechanical engineers around the globe who are always telling me कि भाई तू आ जा यहाँ पे से, बाद में we'll see to it कि मैं ही कुछ.
Just last question, Tushar, how do you think AI is going to play a role in your business, in your industry going forward?
AI again it is helpful for day to day जो बाकी communication है वो सब में तो है ही. Secondly, what I find कि technical insights are very nicely explored and point wise clarified.
Okay.
because there are many times wherein for some conditions or specific requirements or compatibility arrangements, I am using AI and it is giving such a neat solution. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. X has these pros and cons, Y has these pros and cons, and Z. And as per the AI, what is better? Still, things need to be explored. So, uh, when now I present the case to the customer, it becomes very clear कि what I need to offer them becomes more precise, more correctly documented, and more convincing.
Right.
Because it is technically backed correctly with the AI part. Again, to problem solving is also what I find. Many times there are things which come up from the customer, ki these are not working, and we use AI for that. Ki why this has failed or why this has happened. So it gives so much technical insights, which I find is out of mind. कि वहाँ पे हम लोग सोच नहीं सकते, वहाँ पे भी वो पहुँच जाता है, and then you when you further explore on those points, you find कि हाँ यार ये भी था जो हमने सोचा नहीं था, ये भी रीजन हो सकता था failure का, and this is adding to upgradation of product and the problem solving part on the customer end. So product is also upgraded to that extent, and the customer is also satisfied. यानी he gets a better solution. See, he is in pain.
Yes.
वो ये नहीं है कि मेरा प्रोडक्ट फेल हुआ तो नहीं है, और भी किसी का नहीं चल रहा था, वो चलता था, अगर अभी और कहीं भी जाता है तो भी उसे नहीं मिल रहा है. बट इफ ही गेट्स अ सॉल्यूशन, सी प्रॉब्लम हैज कम, मे बी इट विल बी अवर इन द सेंस हमने भी बताया नहीं और उन्होंने भी मांगा नहीं, बट नाउ ही रिक्वायर्स अ सॉल्यूशन रादर देन क्यों हुआ, और द मैनेजमेंट टीम देयर रिक्वायर अ सॉल्यूशन कि हाँ सर ये नहीं था, हमारा गलती था, हमने ये बराबर से सिलेक्ट नहीं किया, या हमने ये यूज नहीं किया, या हमारा ये था, या आपने नहीं किया, वी क्लोज इट समवेयर. बट अब क्या कर सकते हैं वो बताइए. सो देयर व्हाट आई फाइंड कि एआई का जो बैकिंग मिला है, दैट इज गुड एंड इट इज जस्ट गोइंग टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल एवरी डे. दैट विल इज आल्सो आई फाइंड एआई इज working, and I think in all segments it will work, but as I say, it is just a tool. You need to have your inputs and but it is working in a tremendous way. यानी एक ज़माने में जैसे गूगल आ गया था तभी जो था, अब AI से पूरा माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया, और we have a technical backup, a good reply, convenient reply, and this is working in all office and other communications also. Many times you need to have some soft replies, some hard replies. Here also it is working out. So we are not so conversant in writing in a good way.
Mm-hmm.
Many times we write we reply in a manner which may be offending to the. See what happens whenever a customer comes up with the issue or a problem. He is always in a way कि he is on the vendor की, वो वहाँ पे तो टीम रहती है 15-20 जन की, वो the person who is in charge, he'll always save his skin कि ये तो vendor का problem था, उन्होंने ही कलेक्ट नहीं दिया, and that replies and other things they come to you in a such a way कि everything is wrong at your end.
Right.
And many times you reply in a way ना कि things become more conflicting or disturbing. So here these AI replies I find many times I take a pause and give it to we understand their issue, give a solution, and it was not of our concern to portray that in a good way. AI gives a good hand, and that when it goes to the end management, even they get convinced कि भाई यार vendor का तो था, but ये इतना भी नहीं था कि vendor ही सब था इसमें. To some extent, it was the team mistake also. So those ways AI gives us a hand to constantly not offend somebody, and at the same time you convey what you want to convey.
From me and my audience, thank you so much, Tushar, for spending your precious time with us. Thank you so much and wish you all the very best for your business.